Welcome to our channel. Mastering ball flight control allows you to attack pins, avoid trouble, and score better in various conditions. Follow these techniques to gain command of your shots. Step 1. Understand the ball flight laws. Face angle at impact primarily determines starting direction, while club path relative to face angle creates spin axis affecting curve. Angle of attack influences trajectory and spin rate. Step 2. Adjust ball position to control trajectory. Playing the ball forward in your stance promotes higher launch with more spin, while moving it back creates lower penetrating ball flights. Step 3. Modify your swing length and speed for different spin rates. Shorter, aggressive swings with crisp contact generate more backspin than longer. Smoother swings that reduce spin. Step 4. Use appropriate equipment for your desired ball flight. Lower lofted clubs and firmer shafts produce lower trajectories, while higher lofts and softer flexes create higher flights. Step 5. Learn to manipulate face angle and path. Opening the face and swinging left creates fades with higher trajectories, while closing the face and swinging right produces draws with lower flights. Step 6. Practice hitting different trajectories with the same club. Work on high, medium, and low shots with each iron to expand your shot repertoire and course management options. Step 7. Consider course conditions when selecting trajectories. Firm greens require higher, softer shots, while windy conditions demand lower, penetrating ball flights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.